You don't know who you are. You only know who you've learned to be. You think identity is something you discover, but it's something you assemble, piece by piece, from expectations you never questioned and roles you inherited before you knew what they meant. Watch yourself in any room. You change. Your posture shifts. Your confidence rises or collapses depending on who's watching. You don't act the same with your friends as you do with strangers. So which version is you? The answer is all of them and none of them. Psychology disagrees with the idea of a fixed self. Your brain is a shifting system of habits, biases, and survival algorithms, constantly rewriting itself without your permission. You built yourself as a defense mechanism to survive certain environments, and you repeated those defenses until repetition became identity. That's why you feel lost. It's not because you don't know who you are. It's because the identity you built no longer protects you. It limits you. Strip away the performance and what's left? Not a personality, not a fixed shape. What remains is a process, the sum of repeated actions, unconscious patterns, and unresolved fears. You're not your memories, they're edited. You're not your desires, they're influenced. Identity is not discovered, identity is accumulated. Here's the truth most people avoid. You don't find yourself, you build yourself by choosing which patterns survive another day. Your future self is not waiting to be revealed, it's waiting to be constructed. So ask the question again, not as philosophy, but as responsibility. Who are you based on what you consistently do? Because that answer, and only that answer, is real.